Hi guys, good morning and welcome back. So we will try to understand today what are the stocks to be in focus and what are the stocks which are announced the results. What are the highlights of the results? What is the impact of the results in the stock market and what is the our market performance in the broader perspective. So we will analyze all those things. Before going to that, let me give you a disclaimer that the content we are discussing is only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell recommendation, guys. Without any delay, directly let us jump into the stock radar for today. So the very first stock is Protean eGov Technologies. So the Standard Chartered Bank is likely to sell 3.09% equity in IT-enabled solution company Protean through block deals. So the thing is Standard Chartered Bank. So this is the bank is likely to sell 3% of its equity stake in this Protean eGov Technologies. So because of that, it will be in focus. So then comes EPL. The High Court of Australia has dismissed the appeal and decided the matter in favor of Advanta, which is a subsidiary of UPL in Australia. So because of that, it will be in focus. Then comes NTPC. The subsidiary of NTPC Renewable Energy has commenced or started off operations of its first part capacity of 60 megawatt out of 150 megawatt Gujarat solar PV project in Radhanpur, Gujarat. So through its wholly owned subsidiary NTPC Green Energy. So basically the subsidiary of NTPC Renewable Energy started off its operation with a capacity of 60 megawatts out of 150 megawatts. So then comes TVS Supply Chain Solutions. The supply chain solution provider has secured a new business contract from JCB in India. So because of that, TVS will be also be in focus. So then comes TamilNadu Petroproducts. So V. Arun Roy has resigned as a chairman and non-executive, non-independent director on the board of the company. The following the withdrawal of nominees by Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation. So because of that, Tamil Nadu Petro product will be in focus. Then comes Marico. The operation conditions in the Bangladesh, whatever Bangladesh was in news because of some of its internal reasons. Uh, it started like Marico operation started gradually improving through the company remains watchful for the evolving situation after a brief interruption. A large majority of its retail sales force and distribution have now resumed operations. So they they they, they started taking off its operations because of the interruption which was caused due to the Bangladesh incident, whatever we have seen. So because of that, Marico will also be in focus. Uh, then, as it is a season, so there are many companies announced its results. So I have also covered a video on few of the results. So please watch those videos as well. And Hindalco Industries subsidiary Novelis will be in focus because net income falls 3% and adjusted EBITDA grows 19%. So because of that, that will be in focus. Then comes NHPC, profit grows 1.2%, revenue falls 2.3%. Because of that, it will be in focus. Then comes Balaji Amines, profit plunges to 32% and revenue declines to 17%. So then comes Apollo Tires, profit tanks 23% and revenue grows 1.4%. About India, our profit jumps 13%, revenue increases to 5.3%. So then comes Godrej Consumer Products, profit jumps 41%, revenue falls 3.4%. So then comes ITD Cementation India, profit surges to 91% and revenue rises to 30%, guys. So because of that, all these stocks will be in focus today. Keep a close eye on all these stocks today and watch out the performance. And there are many companies also announced the results. So you keep a close eye on other finance has announced its results, and Kirloskar brother also announced its results. So there are many companies announced its results because of its quarterly earnings. All the stocks will be having its own individual news to react into the market. So then let us quickly coming back to the FIS and DIS activity. Yesterday FIS also again the net sellers of 3,314 crores in the cash segment, whereas in the case of meanwhile the DIS bought 3,800 crores in the cash segment. So all and all till this month the FIS sold 18,000 crores worth, but DIS have bought 18,000 crores, which is very interesting, guys. Which is very tight competition between FIS and DIS, which is very very good for our market. It proves how our Indian domestic uh, investors are powerful. How powerful our Indian domestic investors are. So that is what we can see from these numbers. So then comes, let us quickly coming back to our Indian market. Yesterday it has closed 1.27% gains, and consistently it was trading in the same range, and it is likely to trade in the same range as there are no new triggers for our market. So it may consolidate in this level if any triggers or if any big moves happens. So until then it may consolidate in this level only. So then quickly take a look into the American markets. So Nasdaq opened positive, then again it has closed 1.05% negative yesterday. Then comes Dow Jones, also similar chart you will be able to see it open gap up. So then it's closed with a negative. So then if you look at our GIFT Nifty, as of now GIFT Nifty is trading positive. It is indicating that our Indian market may also start up with positive indication. Indian market may also open positive, guys. So then if you look at the ADR performance, ADR is nothing but the companies which are listed in the American market. So that it's here Infosys ADR, HDFC Bank ADR, ICICI Bank ADR. So there are so many ADRs are available. So here like some sort of a mixed reaction is there. Few of them are negative, few of them are positive. So like that. So our market is also likely to be opening positive. We can expect that, but ending to be based on any triggers or the independent news or the heavyweight sectors based on their move. It may take the direction based on those things, guys. So that's all, guys. If you like my content, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much for watching.